you know, that drop down at the top. Huh? I'm so confused. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry, I must have missed something before. I'm trying to read this too and be, Okay, that's that. Let's see. I'm hitting another one.
Oh God, I got a bonnet on my head. No, Brat, I got a bonnet on my head. Girl, you wasn't supposed to get that. Oh my God, I'm talking to the Brat.
You shouldn't have said it.
Girl, listen. I
got that bonnet.
No. The Brat, I love you. I just want to shout out to you. Damn, you accept that real quick. I love you like no other. I wish I could go all the way, but I got this bonnet on my head, girl. I ain't trying to do that. They won't roast me on Instagram.
All right.
I love you. Brooklyn, stand up.
Yeah. Brooklyn.
I wish you and Judy all the success in the world. I love y'all to pieces.
Thank you so much.
And I'll be watching the show tomorrow night for sure. Yeah. Brat love Judy all day. Deuces.
Baby. Thank you. You gotta
you welcome.
I don't know how.
All right. Bye, baby.
Put that camera on you. Let me see that bonnet.
I ain't gonna do that. No, I ain't doing that. You see how fast I jumped down, right? That ain't happening. Maybe on your... All right, you too. Maybe on your next live, I'll let you see me.
All right, bet.
Love you.
Love you back. Appreciate you.
All right, bye.
Keep her hair done.
Okay, somebody said, what's my favorite 80s cartoon? 80s.
How do I turn this off?
Just, I think press the X.
I
don't know how to hang it up.
Oh, me neither. Oh, wait.
It might say end this call. X.
Stop sharing. No. Wait. I can't get this thing. Oh, snap. Oh, shit. Okay. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
That is funny.
Wait, I'm trying to end it. Hold on. What did it do? Ooh, wait. You see my bonnet.
I'm trying to go live and I don't know how to do it.
I don't know how to do this thing. How do I take this thing off already? I gotta get out. Gotta get out. Wait, hang the phone up, Brat. Don't do me like that.
You're trying to make me.
Wait, no, hang it out. Hey, come on now. See, now you just want people to roast me on Instagram with my bonnet.
You trying to make me in my life.
Wait, let me see.
Ain't that some shit?
Oh, wait. That ain't it. That ain't it. I can't hang this thing up.
Take it, yo. I can't take it.
Oh my, wait, no. Wait. Okay. You gotta hang up, not me.
I ain't got to hang up. I ain't hung up none of these calls because I don't know how.
Okay. Well, let me see what I'm supposed to do.
Something. I don't know how to.
I don't see no X. If I see an X, it's gonna stop your live, and I ain't trying to stop your live.
It won't stop my live. It's gonna stop your live.
Oh, and then I get back on?
Yeah, just do that.
All right, let me see.
Yes.
It says. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait. Maybe my daughter could help me. I gotta slide you around because I can't show you the button.
Yo, I'm finna get off.
Okay, wait. Maybe she can help me. Y'all can't see me. Elijah, I'm on with the Brat right now. I need you to take me off. I need you to take me off.
Yo,
My phone is dying.
What's up?
What's good with you?
How are you?
Turn it off. No,
That's
you can't get my bonnet.
Show me her bonnet. Show me her bonnet.
Hey, the viewers. I'm weak. Not they said they still gonna roast you. Who that? Listen, they hate us.
My phone gonna die.
I don't know how to take it off.
You know how to turn it? Oh, Lord, Brat. All right, I'm gonna hang up then.
It was nice talking to you, though.
All right, see y'all later.
All right, Brat. I'm gonna have to hide this. Then people still gonna roast me with my bonnet. I don't know how to take that thing off.
That's in your house, you with your feet.
Oh my! And you still in my house. Wait a minute. I talked to the Brat. I can't get this thing off. And she laughing at me because I can't get this thing off. Wait.
This is the type of shit that I'm talking about. This is that real shit. Like, the shit.
Right, like,
just like this.
Oh, you can see.
Roll it.
How you do it?
Maybe you should put the phone down.
Wait. Brat can still see my house. Oh, shit. Wait. I got. On the bottom.
Can somebody tell me how to hang her part up and not?
Somebody, please help us. Because I got this bonnet on. I got to get up off of here.
Remove. Yes, there it is. Wow. So much for troubleshooting. Yo, that was funny, yo. Oh my God, I got to get out of here. That was crazy. Hold on a second. Let me see if my baby. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I'm finna see if I can find my baby. And then I gotta plug my phone up. And then I'm gonna get back on in a little while. I'm about to post a video of me cooking food for my dogs because it's very interesting. And Chantel was like, girl, you be cooking for your dogs, you need a video sometimes. And I did video it a couple times, but I did it again today. So I'm gonna post it soon. Make sure y'all check out Brat Loves Judy tomorrow night. WeTV 9/8 Central. It's going to say Growing Up Hip Hop on your program guide. Just type it in. Do what you got to do to find it because we waiting on you. We're going to be watching with you. We're going to be eating popcorn at the crib. Oh, Lord. These next episodes, it gets even more realer than I expected or wanted it to. So it is what it is. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. I'm going to plug my phone up and I'm going to get back on. What time is it? 5:38 in my time. I'm going to get back on at like 6:30. I'm back on live at 6:30. I'm going to set my alarm. I'm going to jump back on here, talk to y'all for a little bit, and do the same thing. And hopefully y'all know how to hang up. Because I be saying, y'all got to hang up because I don't know how, but I think I just learned how. I got to show my baby probably already know how, but I be hearing her say the same thing, so instead of me looking for it, I just started saying the same thing. All right, y'all. Brat Loves Judy tomorrow night on WeTV. Brat Loves Judy. Mwah. See y'all in a minute.